So now we're doing a sneak peek of the hall bath, where on the upstairs of this beach house we have added this incredible skylight. And what you're seeing is the new window. Marble windows are here, so we're going to do this window and the other shower window. But it's nice to see this is all grouted and finished. It's absolutely beautiful. Looks like marble, but it's porcelain. And we have this incredible light. And you'll also see that's, you know, this window in here, and there's a tall Roebuck cabinet behind this door. And we have to come back and fix a boo-boo. It's surface mounted, but we have to pull the wire into the medicine cabinet, so we can do that from the other side without damaging too much. But starting to look like a real bathroom. We already templated the shower doors, and I can't wait to see the windows in so we can finish the tile. Ciao for now. Wow.